What's up, guys? So I'm finally back. I just been working on my new business I started, car detailing and like house window cleaning. My bad. So finally, I'm gonna be able to change my oil, put in the Hubcentrics on my car. So yeah. So right now I got the car on the 2x4s. Since the wheels are 15 inches now, the ride height's a little bit lower, so it's kind of hard to get the jack underneath the car now. So I got it up there, got my stuff on here, the jack stands, the jack, the oil, filters, torque wrench, and just everything. So let's get started. All right, so I got the front wheels off, so I'm about to clean the outside of this. Then I'm going to lubricate it with some bearing grease. Then I'm going to lube this up from the outside too, so it doesn't seize onto the wheel, since this is aluminum. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. That's a nice fitment right there. Went right on. Alright, so I got them all on. Nice, perfect fitment in there. So like I said, like I'm kind of scared. Well, I don't think the word is scared, but I don't know what's gonna happen when I change my rotors. It's gonna be kind of hard to get off. Maybe not. Maybe it's easy, since I lubricated it, even though it's pretty tight on there. To like tap it in, but we'll find out. It'll probably be like next week or 2 weeks, because all I have to buy left is the brake fluid. I already have the stainless lines on the way. I already have the Stop Tech rotor slotted, and the track hawk. Oh no, the Hawk HPS pads are coming in today, I believe. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. And then coilovers around October, when the Black Friday hits. So once I have that, I'm probably just gonna just cruise with that for a while until I learn the car, learn how to drive it good. But yeah, so next thing is gonna do the oil change. So I change my oil every 3,000 miles, give or take. Sometimes it's over like 100 miles, but it's roughly 3,000 miles. I do the same thing for my Festiva. And I'm gonna grab my favorite tool I bought from Amazon. This thing right here for oil filters. This thing is a beast. There we go. So since my hand's already lubed up, just lubricate this. Someone just texted me. I got a Bosch. It's a 3323. Here it is. I bought like a 25 pack of these on Amazon for like $8 or something. That's another thing I know. This thing is hard to get off. This thing was bent. I want to ride on. That's it. Just checking out. Just got like an old glove here. Right in the middle. That's good. Alright, we're all done. So all I have to do now is just torque the wheel studs and clean. I'm gonna have to get some brake clean and just clean underneath there, and that's it. So that's it for today, guys. Take this off. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm a little bit tired, so like wasn't feeling too much, but I had to get it done, you know. Even if you're tired, you still have to get it done. Gotta keep it pushing. So yeah, man, until next video, guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun one. Gonna do a brake bleed and everything. I'm probably gonna have one of my friends help me or something to do the bleeding, unless I buy the tool from Harbor Freight or something, but we'll see. Later, guys. One last thing I forgot. So before I even start driving or anything, right away, the first thing I do is I start over the trip. Like I started at 0, the trip, you know. So I go down here, trip A or whatever trips at 3100. See, that's how much I drove. So I just like to reset it at 0. And so now every 3,000, so when it hits 3,000 miles, then I change my oil again.